Scaling your e-commerce brand with Google Ads is so much easier than you think. But the problem is most e-commerce brand owners have zero idea on how to make the Google Ads algorithm work for them. And because of that, they wrongfully believe that the algorithm either hates their brand or their brand is not made for Google Ads. Does that sound familiar? But here's the good thing. In 99% of the cases, these two things are simply not true. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be revealing to you the exact secrets on how to make the Google Ads algorithm work for you so that you can actually scale to the next level much faster. In order to get the Google Ads algorithm to work for you, basically, you need to know the ultimate goal of Google Ads is to give their users the best experience possible. And the way that they actually achieve this goal is by pushing the brands that they know historically have given the best possible experience to their users, or for those brands that are more newer on Google Ads are potentially going to be giving their users a good experience. Now, I know that might sound a bit confusing and you have no idea what I just said, but in order for any of these things to happen, you need to start by focusing on the 3 C's. The first C is a concentrated analysis. What do I mean by this exactly? Hacking the algorithm with Google Ads and getting more people onto your product page is only done by analyzing your front end funnel. That is what concentrated analysis really even means. And here's the fundamental truth. The easier you make Google's job when it comes to understanding your product and whether you're an ideal brand or not, the more likely it will be to show your ads to your customers. And the best way to practice concentrated analysis, the best way to get your front end funnel in the right step with Google Ads is by focusing on having better quality images. It's by having the average of your top 5 competitors pricing. It's by having some types of promotions or some types of Google Merchant Center reviews or whatever you can to stand out from your competitors. It's really that simple to complete this first C. In terms of better images, you don't need to hire a professional photographer. It can be as simple as changing the direction your product is laid out by flipping the image, or it can be as simple as adding a background color to your image. In fact, a quote I personally made is, do the opposite of what your competitors are doing. So if majority of them have their product in a real lifestyle background, you need to come in with a white background image. But that's not enough, because now this brings us to the second thing, which is content. This is the second C. Now, in terms of content, a lot of e-commerce owners get confused. They start posting on Instagram, on Facebook. When I say content, I'm referring to the content on your website as a whole, because Google's algorithm, it does not only crawl on the product pages, but it crawls through every single page on your website. And the more content you have related to your niche or related to the products you sell, basically to have more search engine optimized keywords to relate more to the audience, the better it's going to be for your brand overall. And what you want to do is you want to start building a connection with your audience to, of course, improve your conversion rates through this content, but also get the Google Ads algorithm crawling those pages like an About Us page, a Contact Us page, and our team page. You could even add a blog, so you can use ChatGPT or other AI software to write these blog posts for you. But it's important for you to incorporate search engine optimized keywords within these pages and create it in stories, so it looks very fluid and very straightforward rather than something that you just made for the sake of making. But this brings us to the third and final C, which is consistency. By simply being consistent in terms of improving your overall funnel, in terms of adding better quality products, in terms of doing better SEO, adding more content, and overall improving the ad strategy, I can almost guarantee you that you're dramatically gonna increase your overall results you're getting from Google Ads, because now the algorithm will be preferring your ads over everybody else's. As a result, some benefits you will start to see include things like a lowering cost per link click, a lowering cost per customer acquisition, even improved CTRs, and of course that's going to improve your return on ad spend as well. And if you do everything I've mentioned up to this point, Google will almost always prefer your ad compared to your competitors, because Google will start to realize what a beautiful experience you're providing to your customers. I mean, this is exactly how we've been able to scale our e-commerce brands and client e-commerce brands under my Google Ads agency, ROAS Marketing, to now over $10 million. But if you're doing $40,000 or more per month in revenue, you need just a little bit of extra help scaling your brand to the next level. Go onto my website at yourmarketing.com and book a free call with me to see how we can potentially work together and make that happen. I want you to watch this video right here on some of the best Google shopping ads and Google search ads out there, which can give you insight on how to properly make your shopping and search ads.